Okay, so this is just a little sort of video to say what's been going on recently. So you might notice I've not had as many videos online, and that's because I've been diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis in the hands, and I'm having problems making things out of foam. I will be back into it soon. I'm on a lot of medication to try and battle it, so it doesn't get in the way of cosplaying and stuff. So what I have done is I've started looking into 3D printing, as you can see in the background there. Due to the fact that my hands are not working as well for cutting foam, I thought, well, my backup plan is to learn how to 3D print, and then at least I've got something to fall back on if we can't fix my hands. So funny one. So anyway, I thought it would be interesting to talk about 3D printing, or should we say my idea. So at the moment, as you can see, I've got a Prusa i3 Mark III. I got one, a Mark II for the school I work at, and it's been really good. I think I've been using it from time to time more than the school. So I just thought it's only right to get my own. So at the moment, he's just printing he? It's a she. I'm basically printing an Iron Man costume at the moment. I'm doing a Mark 6/7. 6 because ironically I like its chest plate. It's the one with the triangular chest plate. So I'm printing one at the moment. I did not create the files. The files came off Thingiver's, I think that's called. So I will be I'll put all the information of the guy who's made the parts up online so you guys can see. But the idea is make an Iron Man, and the first helmet I'm going to make, I'm just going to put magnets in the front so I can take the plate on and off. And I'll make another helmet and I'll put a mechanism in there so it opens up. It's going to take a long time, so I'm just going to put up some bits and bobs regarding this as I'm going. Might do some live streaming when I'm doing some of the artwork and things. I've not started live streaming yet. I have had a lot of people asking me about live streaming and asked me to do it, but I'm a family guy. It's really hard to find enough time to just do some live streaming, but I'll try my best. So that's just a little update. It's only a couple of minutes long, but I would say that I'm 3D printing a costume to try and get around with my hands hurting. I might even make a video about what I'm using right now. I've got a handheld gimbal. See that? Ooh. For my phone. This too is also because of my hands hurting, so I'm hoping that some of these things will... I've got to work out ways. I'm a dyslexic guy, so my whole life I've had to work out how to get around things. So now my hands have stopped working. I will find a way around it. I might even do a video about it at some later date. And I'm down at the gym every 2 days because I've realised that if I don't get myself a bit more fit, my joints and that are going to get worse as I get older. So I've got to keep on top of this. So if you're watching this video and it's 10 years down the line, so you're watching it in the future, go to my end video and see me all like, I can't do anything. But for now, I'm okay. So yeah, backup plan, 3D printing, and once I've been 3D printing, I can get back onto costumes like that, EVA foam. So the Mark 1 will be out at London Comic Con this May, and hopefully he'll be in the Masquerade. He's all entered, I just haven't been told that he's in yet. But anyway, yeah, just a short video to tell you what's going on. So don't unsubscribe, I am going to be back. I'm just working out how to do things again. Nice talking to you, Dax79 out. See you at a con, hopefully. Bye bye.